It's Dion with Dion Does Loans, and I have a property here out of California. I got a call from California, and I had someone taking a look at a property, an investment property, possibly an investment property, and I just wanted to know what sort of loans, what sort of products that I have available. So this one here is a 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and according to Section 8, for 4 bedrooms, they're paying up to $4,300 for vouchers for those sorts of properties, assuming that's the route he wants to go. So I usually will start there, just to see, as far as a tenant option, there are those options. So then I'll go over to which sort of investment products we have. Now, obviously, you can use whatever product makes the most sense, but they specifically ask for investment products, so that's what we will give them. And this particular product is the Investor Flex. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a conventional loan, but it has a couple of unique features built for investors. So the minimum credit score is a 620, and according to my client, they have a 700 credit score. So they qualify there. Loan amounts up to 2 million, and I believe it's 80% of LTV. So this particular property is, I believe, 567. So you're probably looking at about 20% down. So you're looking at like 100 grand down, right? So good. He doesn't need $2 million, but they will qualify you for up to $2 million. Now, minimum debt service coverage ratio. What is that? What is that? So the unique benefit of this type of loan, this product, it's a DSCR. So basically, debt service. What is debt service? A debt service is the monthly rental payment that you receive for your property. So in this particular case, this means that the mortgage that you take out on that particular property, that mortgage payment has to at the minimum equal the rental payment. So if it's $2,500 a month, and we'll get into that, your rental payment, your mortgage also has to be at minimum $2,500 a month to qualify for this particular product. All right. So all eligible properties for this particular product are investment properties, cash out refinances, rate terms, and we'll get more into those another time. But this property qualifies for it because it would be an investment property for my client. You can also finance up to 20 properties. So if you're trying to run really, really fast and you can qualify, you got a few properties in mind, you can take about 20 different loans out, or one loan, but you can use these products for that sort of scaling of a real estate portfolio. You need 6 months reserve, so keep that in mind, and that is I believe per property. So don't quote me on that. Let me look into that. Is that per property, or is that for the entire loan? 6 months reserve of your entire loan. Our client does have 6 months reserve, so they qualify. Let's go back. Prepayment penalty option. So this one's a unique one. So you can choose one of two options: the 3-2-1, or one of three options: the 2-1 or the 1-1. And basically, what that's saying is, if you pay back this loan in the first year, if you select this first option, if you pay back this loan in the first year, say you cash out, refinance, go to the next product or next property, on the first year, you'll pay 3% of your loan amount as a penalty for paying off the loan. Basically saying, the banks are saying you kind of shorted us a little bit of interest because you're a pretty good investor, so we're going to need to penalize you a little bit more. And then the second year, 2 years, third year, 1 year, then no penalties after that. So you keep that loan out for 3 years and you manage your interest payments and everything goes well. After 3 years, you don't have any penalties. So keep that in mind if you want to move out of that particular product quickly. This particular product requires an appraisal from 2 different appraisers if the loan is over 1.5 million, and you can use your LLC to obtain your properties and put the loan in your LLC. So that's also really cool too. So let's go to the loan itself. Let's go to the rates. So that's what they specifically asked for, is, given the criteria of this particular product, which is called, by the way, the Investor Flex Fixed Yellow. And these other products may be just as well. I think they have different loan amount requirements, different debt service ratios, things like that, different reserve requirements. And then I believe one is unlimited. So there's no limit on the amount of products you can finance up to 3 million. So get a lot of buildings with that. All right. So to the product itself. So this particular one has, let's see, here we go, yellow. So we were just on the yellow, and he's looking at a payment of about $3,500 and 8.625% on that product. So what does that mean? What does that mean for his particular case? If we were to go with this rate, and he also were to go with the Section 8 exit or plan as an investment, $4,300 is what Section 8 would pay for that voucher. The property itself, monthly payment would be about $3,500, and a couple of other products here. So about 8%, 8.5%, and $3,500 monthly payment. So yes, he would have a positive and a net profit for that particular property. Now, is it a good deal for him? I don't know. I'll report this back to him. We'll go over this and see if he wants to move forward. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm Deon with Deon Does Loans, 702-803-2066. And I have partners all over the country, right? So, we certainly can help you with your products. We certainly can help you with your investments, and any other property you want. First-time home buyer, FHA, VA. We have products everywhere. So give me a call if you are excited as I am about real estate. I'd love to talk to you about it. And until next time, take care. Have a good one.